Josh.
Hey. Today it's ice.
Hey.
I'm done with this. Wait. Today we're making ice cream. You might think to yourself,
Cook?
that sounds complicated and hard and very intricate. You might think we need salt. It turns out with this recipe you really only need salt, heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, beans, kosher salt, downboy, vanilla extract, and then whatever topping your heart desires. We went with kosher salt. I like special K. So before we can do anything,
Stop.
I don't know, you're on some weird shit right now. We just got a film, dog.
Explosive lassie.
Let's get cooking. The first thing you want to do is take the heavy whipping cream and you're gonna get a whiskin. This might
Something smells so bad.
Let's get whisking. So, let's get a whisking. Now that we've whipped our cream to stiff peaks, it's time to get ready with the sweetened condensed milk. Beans. All you need is one 14-ounce can
Of sweetened condensed
beans. Fully sauced. Fully sauced. Let's get about a teaspoon of vanilla and salt. And you gotta
Get away from me.
and you gotta have salt. And you gotta have salt.
Does that vanilla smell good?
No. Now crank out the old whisk and get a whiskin again. So, let's add these toppings. Feel free to freeze it in whatever container you have it in. Let's add these toppings.
Somebody help me.
Our absolute fave is cereal. Now, the final step.
Pop this old woman in the freezer. Something smells so bad.
Probably.
This old woman in the freezer.
Now, with the help of a friend.
You didn't need me. You never needed me, did you?
Nah, not really.
Filthy animal in the ice cream.
It's ready for the old freezer.
If only we had girlfriends to help us put this ice cream in the freezer.
He's in the bathroom. Let's pop this lady in the freezer.
Let's pop this old woman in the freezer.
Beans. And now, after hours of freezing,
Look at that ice cream. Would you just look at that ice cream? Now it's about time we dig in. This is quite possibly the most disappointing thing I've ever had in my life. That's how good it is.
well, there's only one more thing to do.
Ice cream is yummy and tasty.